Back to the channel, Mississippi Girl Life, Country Girl Prepper, okay? So, this video, I'm going to give y'all a heads up on something. So, there's a recall on Vivitar bottles, okay? I'm probably not saying that right, so I'm going to go ahead and spell it for y'all because some of these some of these companies have names that's just not, like, normal, okay? So, these bottles are sold at Target nationwide and they pose a dangerous risk, okay? So if you got these bottles, make sure you do what you have to do to get your money back, which I'm gonna let y'all know what they say the quickest and the best way to do, what to do to get a full refund for these bottles. So like I said, they are sold at Target, so it's approximately 199,000, so almost 200,000 Vivitar blender bottles, Vivitar blender bottles, okay, sold at Target nationwide, was recalled on April 3rd, 2025. Because today that I'm gonna post this and filming this is April 4th, 2025. So yesterday the recall came into effect, okay? It say because the blades can continue to run when the bottle is not attached to the blender, posing a laceration hazard, okay? That's dangerous. You can have your kids around you or something while you blending up something or using that bottle. You think it's done because the blade is out and it is still turning. And blades in blenders are very, very sharp. Woo, they are very sharp. So y'all got to be careful, okay? It say the Consumer Product Safety Commission noted that the products were sold at Target stores and online at Target.com from December 2024 through January 2025 for about $5. Okay? So if you got, I'm pretty sure that's why a lot of them has been sold because, well, has been recalled because that was a good price, okay? If somebody got that. It say, so what customers need to do with the recall blenders, they should stop using the product. Okay, they tell you should stop using the product and call SAKAR, SAKAR, for instructions on how to get a full refund in the form of a $5 Target gift card or a check or a prepaid return shipping label, okay? So, you got to call this company. I guess this may be the underwriter or so. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just giving y'all the information, okay? It say the Consumer Product Safety Commission noted that the item must be returned to SAKAR. That name is SAKAR, okay, to receive a refund. Proof of purchase, the receipt, okay, is in parentheses, is not required. And customers should not return the recalled products to Target stores. Okay, you get what they said. You reach out to SAKAR, SAKAR, and then they're gonna give you instructions on how to get a full refund. You can get that on a $5 gift Target gift card. You can get that in the form of a check or a prepaid return shipping label. Okay, well, a Target gift card or a check, and you'll get a prepaid return shipping label. Okay, so they're gonna pay for you to return it back to them. All right, so customers can call SAKAR, okay, because these are the Vivitar blend bottles, okay. So, but you gotta call SAKAR. So it's at 1-800-592-9541. Again, the number to call is 1-800-592-9541. Okay, the bird is just like, or you can email them at support@SAKAR.com. That's support, the @ and then SAKAR.com, or online at Vivitar.com /pages/recalls, or simply Vivitar.com and click on recall button. Okay, that's how you can get your money back, get a gift card, and get a prepaid shipping label to send it back to them. Can't take it back in the Target store. So that is very, very important, because we don't need nobody getting cut, no babies getting hurt, none of that. So if you got those blender bottles, stop using them. They're telling you to stop using them, okay? So with that being said, I wanted to bring y'all that little bit of a heads up, that little bit of news. You know, it's a recall. So I'm going to end this right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Y'all please be safe. Love y'all. Mwah. Bye.